Bottom heater height adjustment. Infrared temperature zone heating brake switch. Top breeze regulation. Temperature measurement port. The joystick controls the head to go up/down. The joystick controls the picture to zoom in and out. CCD upper and lower ring lights for brightness adjustment. The suction rod is turned forward and reversed. Micrometer fine tuning all sides. Light switch. Emergency stop button. Installation of PCB support fixture. Installation of support strips and support screws. The switch is set to on. Touchscreen boot interface. Turn on the laser light. The laser red dot quickly locates the BGA Rework location. Select suitable rod to install. Select suitable nozzle to install. Note that the end nozzle should cover the chip. Enter the operating mode. Select the temperature parameter. Welding mode. Select the solder mode. Start mount mode. The head is lowered to the heated position and heating begins. Heating ends and the head is reset. Remove mode. Select remove mode. Complete the alignment. Start remove mode. The head is lowered to the heated position and heating begins. Automatic section. Mount mode. Select mount mode. Start mount mode. Pick up material, CCD optical alignment. Note that align the chips through fine-tuning. The alignment is complete. Click the Alignment Complete button. After clicking, it will be automatically pasted. When heating ends, the head automatically resets. Operation completed. Shut down.